Hi, my name is Noor Dashti, and this is my presentation on the case of Mapp versus Ohio in 1961. Context. In May of 1957, police officers entered the home of Dalry Mapp. They were looking for a suspect of a recent bombing threat and illegal gambling items. The police could not find the person they were looking for to question, but they did find pornographic material. Mapp denied owning those items, but was still arrested. During this time, possession of pornographic items was illegal according to state law. In fall of 1958, Mapp was tried and convicted in the Ohio Supreme Court. She was sentenced to 1 through 7 years in prison. Alexander L. Kearns, Mapp's lawyer, appealed to the Ohio Supreme Court based on the fact that Mapp's right to privacy was violated. Kearns also said how the performance of the police in finding the pornographic material was unconstitutional. Despite there being no search warrant presented in the trial, the Ohio Supreme Court still convicted Mapp. However, they also ruled that the illegal search could be put into a criminal trial. Kearns appealed the case to the U.S. Supreme Court, as Mapp's sentence violated her constitutional rights. The U.S. Supreme Court's final decision was 5-4. It overturned Mapp's conviction. This was on the grounds that the evidence was seized without a search warrant, which cannot be used in state criminal prosecutions under the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution. Facts. Dalry Mapp was nicknamed Dolly. I'm assuming by how her actual name almost sounds like Dolly. Mapp passed away on October 31st, 2014, at the age of 91. She was called the Rosa Parks of the Fourth Amendment by Wayne LaFave, a professor at the University of Illinois. In Mississippi, Mapp became a mother in her teenage years while single and was also going through a lot during this time, though she got her life back on track when she moved to New York City, where she launched multiple businesses. Connection. In the Brown versus Board of Education case, the ruling was that segregation of public schools was in violation of the 14th Amendment, making it unconstitutional. This falls in step with the Mapp versus Ohio case, with how the ruling was also on grounds that the 14th Amendment extended protection to state jurisdiction. In the Constitution of the United States, it states, quote unquote, "We the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, do ordain, and establish this Constitution for the United States of America." This line dictates that those living under the Constitution shall be under the protection and given rights of the amendments. Mapp was able to lawfully use her right to get herself out of conviction. Why? This case was included in the class because it helps us understand and have the knowledge that we are able to use our rights when those that have higher power try to take advantage of us that don't possess it. It is important for the citizens to know about the Mapp versus Ohio case because of how it shaped the Fourth Amendment. It helps protect citizens from the abuse of power from the government. It also ensures that we have constitutional rights and we have the right to enforce them. Question. Here's my question to you. Do you think that if this case did not happen, that things in present day would be different? And references. Thank you.